So we will see what is the core architecture. This is all we have covered it. Okay. So then we will go back to
We
the
have covered this. Hello.
yeah.
This one covered view or table.
Okay.
Yeah, please. Hello.
Yeah. I am listening.
Yeah,
I am
scroll
listening.
up. Scroll up your bar.
Uh,
Scroll.
oh,
This one cover contains one. No, this is content topic.
you want me to explain it? I will explain
No,
this.
it is covered actually. You have done blend, yeah, something. That's it.
Okay. This
But
also.
I don't know. I have no idea about core architecture.
Core architecture means core means your main
Yeah,
part.
that is
Okay.
the normal.
Okay, your main part in the body. Okay, that is called
Yes.
as core.
Core.
Okay, so in exercise you will do it core, right?
Hmm.
Okay, architecture means how you are building it. So this is your core architecture means the overall house how you have built. So your SQL database overall house, overall architecture we will call like this. Core architecture means main architecture. Main design you can tell. Okay, I can remove this main design. Okay,
Hmm.
then you have SQL database. These are the key characteristics. Okay, so you have acid, we will call this as acid compliance, atomicity, consistency, isolation and durability. Okay, these are all the core characteristics. Okay, so you will have it here. Okay, so city also we have done it with this model. I guess you have this, right? Okay, so door lock, furniture, everything I explained you. Okay,
Yes.
then I will go back here. This is all your blueprint, architectural blueprint. This is how you will have your all your.
Yeah.
Uh, then we will going with the features. This is where the acid compliance will come. Okay, in relational model,
Yeah.
they all that data is stored in separate tables, but it will be linked with relationship keys. Okay, so we will see how that will be a relationship key. Okay, so you have acid compliance. Okay, atomicity you will have. So all this you will be representing in graphical, whatever we saw. This is the text representation. Consistency means data remains valid for all, valid per rules. Okay, data will not change. Okay, isolation means even if you are querying that, even if you are writing the data, even if you are writing to the database, it should not interfere with other operation. Let's say one guy is doing transaction, the other person also should be able to do that. It should not have any interference. So both should be doing at once. Okay, that is called isolation. Okay, durability is okay. Once the database is saved, okay, it should not be destroyed or it should not be altered. Let's say you have committed to the database and your database is crashed. I cannot get the data. You should not tell this. I lost the data. Please do the transaction again tomorrow. You should not be telling that. Okay. So these are all the acid compliance. Okay. So then you will be defining the schema. Okay. So you should be structure must be defined. If you are inserting something, all the parameters condition should be met before inserting the data. Okay. So you are inserting one employee data, okay, and you have not given the ID. Okay. You cannot insert like that. You should be following the schema. Okay. This is all you should be doing it. Okay. Then you have data integrity. Okay. Data integrity means uh, all the enforced, you should have all the conditions met. So that is what data integrity is. Okay. Then you have popular database system. Okay. So why we are using SQL Server here? Okay. Why can't you go with PostgreSQL?
Yeah.
You have MySQL, MariaDB, Oracle database, SQLite, Amazon RDS. These are all popular database. Why you are going with SQL Server? Okay. So there is a logic behind this. Okay. So if you are into open source, okay, and you don't have money, let's say customer doesn't have any money to put on the database. Okay. First is like I don't have money. Okay. That is first factor. Let's say he has money, okay, but I will not manage it. You tell me where I want to put, I will pay you, but I will not manage it. One condition. Okay. In that condition, you will tell, okay, go for the cloud. Okay. Cloud managed. Okay. You are what is your underlying infrastructure? Is it Google Cloud, Azure Cloud, or Amazon Cloud? Which one you are running? You will ask that question. Okay. Then you will go ahead with that particular cloud. Okay. So based on his requirement, you will choose. Okay. Then he will say, see, I am a startup. Okay. So I don't have money. Okay. So you will be suggesting, okay, you go ahead with either Postgres or MySQL or MariaDB. Okay. Then you will ask the question, okay, what is your application doing? Okay. So you have any high read performance? Okay. Are you reading it social media? Okay. So is your application reading lot of data? You will say, yeah, it will read lot of content from media. I am doing a analytical service. Then you will tell, okay, go ahead with MySQL or MariaDB. Okay, that is how you will do it. Now let's say he is having a application. Okay, let's say I will open up this and I will show you like this.
MariaDB or MongoDB and same.
Yeah.
No, I'm asking MariaDB and MongoDB is same.
No, they are different.
Oh.
Why you want to know that?
No, I actually have read somewhere MongoDB, so I don't know
Okay.
about it. So I just wanted to know because
Okay.
this is very new things.
Okay. 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 Let's say we have it. Let me show you this. Okay. So this
But
is your.
I did not understand the points of I did not deeply understand uh, the first and some points inside.
Which one? Which points?
Yeah, this one open source will work. MySQL, MariaDB, and then Oracle database. How when we'll use that, and
I am trying to tell you this too first.
Okay.
I am
No,
trying to
I
do, see, I am trying to do this too. Okay. You later come back here.
okay. Hmm.
You give me some time so that I will explain you this too.
Okay.
Okay. So now you have a front end application. Okay.
Okay.
Let me put one diagram here. Okay. Uh, Developer. Okay. SDK. Okay. Let's say you have a application here. Okay. This is all applications only. Okay. So you have SQL Server here. Okay. You have MySQL. Okay.
Hmm.
You have Oracle database. Okay. You have MySQL in app. Okay. You have Cosmos. Okay. You have Postgres. Okay. Then you have Redis. Okay. You have your Mongo. Okay. Then you have your SQL managed instance. Then you have SQL servers. Okay. That's it. Okay. These are all the database types we have. Okay. Now we will go to the applications. Okay. So we will see what type of applications you are running. Okay. Is it analytics? Okay. How is your application? So we will ask these questions. Okay. What is your primary goal? So your front end. So we will ask, okay, what is your doing at the front end? Okay. Then we will connect, based on that we will connect you to the right database. Okay. So you give me your front end. Okay. Are you doing this KPI analysis? Okay.
Hmm.
So how you will give me? Okay. So based on this we will analyze where your database will fit, how you will connect. Okay.
Okay.
So which one you are going to take, we will give you that picture. Okay. Okay. Let me give you this. You are asking about MariaDB and MongoDB, right?
Yes.
Okay. So they are different. Okay. So this is your MongoDB. MongoDB is it will store the data in a structured tables. Okay. Where is the database? Okay. So this will have a structured tables. Okay. MongoDB.
Okay.
Okay. Using SQL query language, structured query language. It is popular fork of MySQL. Okay. So you have MySQL, right? Where is this? This is your MySQL database. Okay. This is the popular. I will take this icon. Okay. So this is derived. This is mother of this MongoDB. Okay. So they derived it from this MySQL database. Okay. That is your MariaDB. Whatever I was talking about, this is about MariaDB. We don't have MariaDB here. Okay. So this is about your MariaDB. Okay. Now we will be discussing on the MongoDB. MongoDB is document oriented database. Okay. So without any data, without any tables or rows, it will just store the data. Okay. Any rigid tables, it will store it in a flexible manner. So you don't need any rows or columns strictly. Okay. So that is where you will use MongoDB. Okay. So for example, when to use which? Okay. I don't want to discuss all that. Okay. When to use which DB? Okay. So MariaDB, you will use it when you have highly structured and relationship.
Yes.
Okay. Like banking ledger, e-commerce, all you will use it for MariaDB. Okay. So if you want to make a complex queries and multiple queries, you will use MariaDB. Okay. Let's say for MongoDB, and your team is deeply experienced with SQL Server, SQL queries, then you will use this MariaDB. Okay. Now we will come back to MongoDB here. Okay. So MongoDB is your data is unstructured or semi-structured. Okay. Let's say example, your product catalog, you are varying it, user profiles are changing very often, and you have IoT sensor data. Okay. And you are building modern or agile application, your schema will keep on changing. Okay. So I will tell you about what is schema all. Okay. In the in our next session we will talk about much on the schema. Okay. And you need to handle massive amounts of data, high write loads. Okay. So your data is keep on writing it, you keep on dumping the data always. Okay. And it is dumping in the single documents. Okay. You are joining the tables again and again. Then in that case you will use MongoDB. Okay. So MariaDB, it is structured and rational in one sentence. Okay. MongoDB, if you are having high volume or document centric, then you will use MongoDB. That is the difference. Okay. So now come back to here. Okay. Based on your requirement of the application. Okay. Let's say I am running a analytics, I am running a search service. So based on my business, you will identify which service I will be running. Okay. I will get this table here. Okay. Inside the Visio table, Visio, I will get it now. I will paste it. Okay. Okay. So I got exact table here. Okay. So now you will tell me. Okay. Based on what your requirement, I will be putting that as a database. Okay. Let's say I am having a I am running a high-end business. Okay. Let me put it some transaction here. Okay, yeah, I am running a high transaction business. Okay. I am running a financial services, commercial. Okay. Enterprise finance. Okay. So then what I will you will go with Oracle. Okay, so you don't want to take any risk. Okay, so this will be like it will have advanced clustering option, all that it will provide you. Okay, and it will be, if there is finance means, you will go with Oracle. Okay, let's say you want to have a mobile, okay, or IoT or lightweight apps. Most of your workload is IoT, like your self-driving car, automated. So all your IoT. Okay, let's say I will put this IoT here, or else I will put this as a symbol of IoT. Okay, so now you will be connecting it to your SQLite. Okay, this is completely embedded. Okay, it will be serverless. You will not have a server and zero file. Okay, it will be zero config. You will directly attach. That is your SQLite. Okay, then you have something called cloud here. Okay, you have some cloud. Okay, so I am running a cloud. Okay, so I want to leverage my cloud service. Okay, let's say I am running some cloud service. Okay, then I will connect it. Okay, so you connect it to cloud. So you will use this service to connect. That is how you will be selecting the database. Okay, this database, it will be selected by the architect who will have 10 to 15 years of experience or 20 years of experience. He will pick this up. Okay, so two are commercial. Okay, the third one is managed, means it is also payable. Okay, first two are open source. Okay, so that's it for today. Okay, so we'll see this tomorrow. Okay, how a SQL database works. Okay, okay, only this we have covered. After that it stopped. Okay, our session stopped after this. So then we will see how it will go. Then after that we will have all the session. Okay, then you will run the query now here. Okay, so once you do this, then we will choose how to select. Okay, when to choose SQL database, all that.
Once again, you said after that session will end, then you will do practical. I didn't understand this. What is it? What about this?
See, this will be all theory part. Okay,
Okay.
so you will learn how it will be executed, how it is connected.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
so you will know. Okay, what is this, all you will know from the picture.
Yes.
You know it in the picture.
Yes.
So if you run the query, okay, you show me here how it works.
Okay.
Okay, see, I got the theory knowledge now. Okay, you show me how it will work here. You show me now.
I can't show you because I don't know
No.
theoretical also practical.
See, I am explaining like as a hypothetical question. Like, okay, after this, I will show you in the practical way. That is what I am supposed to tell you. So
Okay,
once
okay,
this theory is done, we will close this theory and then we will go to practical. Okay, so then we will execute this command. Okay, then I will show you this is how it will execute.
Yeah, got it.
Okay, so after this, once you do the practical, then we will come back here.
Yes.
When to choose your SQL database. okay, with the graphical presentation. So if you are concerned about the data integrity like banking, healthcare, logistics, you will go with SQL. You want for a compliance, transaction logging, everything, you will take. All these are your use cases, then you will go with all these SQL server. That is why you will select the SQL server. So if you have any use cases here, okay, so then we will run through this, okay. After this theory part, we will go to practical. Once you do the theory part, then we'll do the practical. Now see here, you have a practical here. That is how I designed the course, okay. Okay, then we'll stop this for today, okay.
Yeah, because there is